Hello. We're gonna play some more. Yes. More balloon style defense battles. I might not live stream. I don't know if I can. So, don't get your hopes high. Might not live stream. All I know is maybe I'll live stream. I don't know. All I know is let's get the freaking this video. So let's get into quick play like always. And let's get into assault mode and no free energy. Assault mode. Oh, I'm sorry. He's skipping maps. But I love maps. Okay, now we're skipping my favorite map. Alright, Ninja Monkey, Sniper Monkey, sure. This tower, because I don't feel like losing to Red Balloon. And the Ninja Monkey. I just fell and hurt myself. And Sniper Monkey. I meant Super Monkey. It's taking forever. Yes, I just got the 4th upgrade for the Ninja Monkey, so now it's fully upgraded. First one. Next one will be my snipers. Again, we're gonna start off. We're going to every time in the banana video, they wouldn't let me place it. No, now watch. Sharp circuits. I have sabotage supply line now. Yay! Let me just show you. Balloon Jitsu. Boys, we out here in the wild sending blues because we're stupid and we're cool. Yes, very much. Beautiful, beautiful. More than Glaze Lord. I love that more than Glaze Flower and Glaze Lord. If they're combined, maybe I'll like them. But I still love them. Maybe I'll make a mod of video. But don't get your hopes high. I don't know. It could not happen. Well, I'm pretty sure I found out how to do it to the files, but I don't think so. So, probably not. I'm probably going to end up saying, oh, no. So, forget what I just said. Yeah, you stop, you stupid balloons. You stupid... Why is he sending so many freaky deaky balloons? This is some serious snizzle right now. Not even kidding. Round 8 or 9, I'm gonna have like a balloon jitsu. Nice. And then like round 16, I'm gonna have a sabotage supply line. So I can't speak. Balloon jitsu. Oh, this just feels so good. Oh. Balloon Jitsu ironed with hard work. Now I can flex. No, I can't. I'm just dead inside. Terminator. 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 You know, I could have like a really good. I could have about 2 upgraded What is it called? Super Monkey. But I choose to buy 2 balloon jitsus. And if I get 2 of those, I could have like a 3 upgraded. Like I could almost have a temple. I can almost have a sun god right now. With all the money I'm losing and spending. And I'm just happy. Sorry for talking so much. Tell me in the comments if you want me to talk less or talk more. Or just keep talking the way I am talking. Alright, well, I'm just gonna wait it out. Bang, 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 alright, 2 balloon jitsus. And now we need the cannon. Now we need to upgrade that. Billy bounce, Billy, Billy, Billy bounce. I'm Goku, I'm just like that mouse. Bro, look at this ship. I could upgrade my ship, but I didn't want to. Like, I don't want to. So I'm going to put it right here so I can shoot all the leads from right here and they can all stop it. Bigger bomb, missile launcher, extra, and fire bomb. Fully upgraded 2 levels. I could add a 3rd level, maybe even a 4th level. But I decided to get none for the bombs. Because I like balloon jitsu more. There we go. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I was talking about. And now I'm going to get another Ninja Monkey and get Sabotage Supply Line or whatever. No! What? Hey! That's bullcrap! Yoink, yoink, doink, doink. I want Flash Bomb. Why can't I have Flash Bomb? I'm screaming so loud right now. I'm gonna probably turn down the audio when I edit the video, if I do. Which I'm probably not gonna do because I don't like editing videos. It's just too annoying. It gets to my head. Supply line for 5 freaking. Wait, does this dude make stuff explode? Wait a second, does he? I'm getting that Sabotage Supply Line. I don't care if it takes me to round 40. I want to get that Sabotage Supply Line so I can mess with his brain. Come on, Balloon Jitsu! Thank you, man. Thank you, man. I love this Flash Bomb thing. It just helps me out so goodly. Like, if you get the Balloon Jitsu with the Flash Bomb just makes it freeze. And then the Balloon Jitsu can just numb on that. Like I did for dinner. I almost got that Sabotage Supply Line. Man, I could already have a Balloon Jitsu. But I want Sabotage Supply Line. Freaking out. Because I don't know what it does. Because I'm not the one who researches stuff. I don't care what you'll say about me. Oh, I don't care what you say about me. Sabotage Supply Line. Now we're gonna go here and use my Sabotage Supply button. Move button. Hold on, I gotta flip it upside down. Shit. I hate the magical button. I can't. Guys, I hope I didn't just cross the red. Let me try. Oh, it's lagging. Oh, I thought it was. What? I wasn't doing anything. I'm gonna check out what it does later. I wasn't trying to win. I was trying to show you the thing. What do you think? Why do you think I was getting sabotage supply line? I don't want that bull crap. Probably trash. But next episode, I'm actually gonna win because I'm actually not gonna showcase stuff unless it's really cool. But if not, I'm just gonna play around Blitz, have fixed battles. I'm gonna see you later because I'm losing lots of space on my phone. So bye, I guess, and I hope you all can't see this because you probably can. Stay cool. Don't be stupid. Stay in school. Hold on. I can't. Hold on. No. I don't want your app. Oh God, this is a horrible video. I'm gonna have to get 4-star. Oh God. Please don't trouble me on the video. Stay cool. Probably shouldn't have babies. But you do you. I'm out. I'm about to fall into the abyss of a black hole. And stay coolio.